Welcome to this beautiful estate home located in Lely Island Estates in Naples. This impeccably maintained home was the former model and has only had one owner. This home is over 3,200 square feet and offers an open and spacious floor plan with tall ceilings that make it feel even bigger. The spectacular lake and fountain view is enjoyed from nearly every room, and the oversized lanai and pool area offer even more space, including outdoor living, outdoor dining, and an outdoor kitchen. The master suite features a huge bedroom, separate sitting area, and a walk-through closet. If desired, this home could be masterfully renovated. The oversized den could easily be an additional bedroom, office, theater, or game room. A 3-year-old roof and an oversized 2-car garage are additional benefits. You'll also enjoy low HOA fees. Lely Resort is located just minutes to Naples' award-winning white sand beaches and close to shopping and restaurants. For more information on this beautiful home, contact me today.